Monkeys love bananas, but sometimes bananas are hard to trust. Some banana traders lie. They say they gave a banana, but didn't. Other monkeys get mad. Banana records are kept in one big book, but the book is held by one monkey. That monkey can change the book. Now, monkeys don't trust the banana system, so one smart monkey says, what if we all keep the book? Every monkey gets a copy. Every time a trade happens, all monkeys write it down. If one monkey lies but 999 monkeys agree, the lie is ignored. Truth wins. That's blockchain. But monkeys are lazy. They don't want to write every trade. So the smart monkey adds a game, a number guessing game. Whoever wins gets a reward banana. This is called mining. The winner adds new trades to the book. All other monkeys check it. If it's true, they accept it. This keeps the book honest. This book is called Bitcoin. Now, monkeys use bananas to buy things. But bananas rot. Bananas can be stolen. Banana farmers make more bananas, so banana value drops. Bitcoin doesn't rot. Bitcoin can't be faked. No one monkey controls it. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Monkeys can't print more. This makes Bitcoin rare. Rare means valuable, just like golden bananas. But some monkeys say, I don't see the banana. Where is it? Bitcoin is digital, like invisible bananas, but the book says it's there, and all monkeys agree, so the banana is real. Other monkeys say, but I like my paper leaves. But paper leaves can be printed forever. More leaves means less value. Inflation makes monkeys sad. Bitcoin can't be printed. It's fixed. Predictable, mathematical. Now monkeys buy banana art, monkey pictures, monkey memes. They use Bitcoin to trade. Fast, global, no jungle borders. But beware, some monkeys lie about magic bananas. Some say, get rich fast. Don't fall for scams. Learn first, then trade. Bitcoin is not magic. It's code. It's trust without a king monkey. It's bananas that don't lie. Monkeys who understand use Bitcoin wisely. Others chase shiny pebbles. So remember, banana money rots. Paper leaves blow away. But digital bananas written in every monkey's book might just change the jungle. Subscribe, please.